Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students. I am over here in front of you with my next lecture that is related to again to chapter number 3, media and its impact. In my previous lecture I have given you the complete grammatical description and I have discussed all the contents which are given in this chapter regarding the grammar. So now I am coming again towards the objectives. Now the role and impact of media on society, we have to discuss this objective throughout this chapter, and we have to now the technique to conduct and write an interview. I have told you in my previous lecture and I have given you all the rules that you can follow and you can write a dialogue without any error. Now I am coming towards the next grammatical technique. You have to know the use of pronouns, and I have given you the grid which will help you to understand what type of pronoun has come, what type of pronoun is used in the relevant sentence. Now I am coming towards the next objective, identify subject-verb agreement. I have given you subject-verb agreement in detail in my previous lecture. You can take help from that lecture to understand this agreement, and we have to read and write a simple email. This technique I will give you while we are going to discuss the exercise of this unit. Now I am coming towards the passages of this chapter. Here on the screen you can see the passage number 1. What the writer is going to say to us in passage number 1. In passage number 1 the writer is going to give us, and writer is going to describe the situation of the class from where the dialogue is going to start. Yes, this unit is in the form of dialogue, and in this dialogues in some places and writer has cleared out the situation that what is going to happen, and after that happening what is the effect and what is the reaction of the class in front of the teacher. So in the first passage here you can see what the class is doing. When the teacher came to the class, then they take their positions, yes, and teacher take the roll call, and all these things are discussed in this first passage. Now I am coming towards the second passage. Here in front of you I am coming towards the second passage, and the second passage is over here. In the second passage the teacher is going to introduce the topic of the tutorial day. Yes, the topic of the tutorial day is the impact of media on the society. As you know that media is the most powerful medium of communication, and through this medium you got all type of information regarding this society. So media has a strong impact over the society. In this chapter teacher has given the information that has delivered this particular information to the student. Now I am coming towards the passage number 3 of this dialogue. Yes students, in the third passage you can see on the screen the teacher is going to involve the students with her. She is asking that can you please tell me what type of impact media has on our lives. Yes, in this sentence a student is going to give his own, a student is going to give his or her own opinion in front of the teacher. The student is saying that no doubt media has a very strong impact on the minds and on the lives of the people. Yes, when we enter in the, he or she is going to say that when we enter inside our house, when we enter in our house, the first thing we do is that we are going to switch off the television, and it shows that how media is going to enter, how strongly media is entered in the lives of the people, because people think that without having any contact with media and with all the things which are related to media, we will be incompleted. Okay. Now the fourth passage is in front of you. In the fourth passage the teacher is going to tell the students that media is not only a medium of information, it is a medium of entertainment for us. This is the main reason that media has such a powerful impact on the lives of people, because people think that if there is no TV and no WhatsApp and no internet and all these things at the house, then the people think that they are getting getting bored because there are a lot of things on the media instead of news and all these things which entertain people, and people get in touch with media all the time. Here on the screen in front of you is the passage number 5, and in passage number 5 teacher is going to ask a very important question from the students. That the question is, what type of role media plays in our society? The role is destructive or constructive? The students are going to answer that the role of media is constructive. Yes, there are many type of issues which are not known by the people who are illiterate in our society, but media has improved their mentality. He has given us awareness about all the social, political issues which they are unable to discuss with the people of their caliber. So media has a very constructive role in over the society. Now I am coming towards the last passage of this dialogue, which one is the concluding passage, and in this passage teacher is going to conclude his whole discussion, and she is going to tell the students that no doubt we can say that media is a most vigilant institution which has an eye over all the segments related to life. All the social, political and all the segments which are related to life are going to be discussed on the television, on the internet, on the radio, and we feel that like our relations, and we feel that media is just like our relation, that we are in a blood relation with media, and this thing proves that without media everyone consider that he is incomplete. Now I am coming towards the important words from this passage, and all these words are over here on the screen. In these from these words I will give you the complete grammatical description. I will tell you the synonyms of all these words, and I will give you the sentences from all these words. So now you can see on the screen, here are the main and important words from this chapter. The first word is impact. Its synonym is impression, and it's in grammatical description it is a noun. His speech had a powerful impact on many people. Second word is anxious. Its synonym is keen, and it's an adjective. It was an anxious night as she waited for her children to come home. Geared up. Its synonym is ready, and it is a verb. New York's transport system is geared up to get masses of people around the city quickly. Expressed is the next word. Articulate is its synonym, and it's a verb. His face expressed suffering. Integral. Its synonym is vital. It might be trivial, but it was an integral part of their marriage. Next word is entertain. Amuse is its synonym, and it is a verb. The evening they are going to entertain their friends with readings from your poems and music. Greets is the next word. Welcome is its synonym. Verb, it is a verb. She did not even get up to greet him. Discussion is the next word. Its synonym is conversation, and it is a noun in grammar. This is the first time we have had an honest discussion in about 1,000,000 years. Opinion is the next word, and its synonym is view, and it is a noun. Don't ask for opinions, just do what you feel is best. Expressed is the next word. Spoken is its synonym, and it is a verb. His face expressed sufferings. Means of communication is the next word. Resource of message is its meaning or synonym, and it is a noun. Television is an increasingly important means of communication. Global village is the next word. Worldwide community is its synonym, and it is a noun. We will have to change a bit to live in a global village. A click away is the next word. A hit it off is its synonym, and it is a phrase. For that matter, even the train and airline schedules are now just a click away. Constructive role means positive role, and it is a noun. Water availability can play an equally constructive role in furthering social change. A mouthpiece, a representative. It's a noun. Blake held his handkerchief over the mouthpiece to muffle his voice. Downtrodden, its meaning is browbeaten, and it is an adjective. We ought to encourage the empowerment of all those who feel opposed or downtrodden. Debate is the next word. It means discussion or discuss, and it is a noun. Alex, I don't want to debate this issue. And the last word is corrective impact. This means remedial, and it is a noun. I should like to add a corrective impact to what I have written previously. After summarizing all the passages and after giving you the complete description of all the important words from these passages, I am coming towards the block questions which are given in front, which are given in front of all the passages which you have read. Yes, students, these block questions are very important because they can be asked in the paper. Before going to comprehend these passages, I am going to show you all the block questions over here with their answers. The first block question is, guess the meaning of tutorial. Yes, what is the meaning of tutorial? Tutorial means discussion group. The second question is, what type of information does it provide? Media provides information on every aspect of the life, including sports, health, educational, about fashion, current affairs and entertainment, etc. Is TV taking away the habit of reading? Yes, TV taking away the habit of reading. The fourth question is, which is your favorite TV program and why? Here you can write your own favorite program, and you can give the reason of having this favoritism. But here I have given you a TV program. My favorite TV program is Tom and Jerry because I like cartoons. In this way you can explain the reason of your of giving the favoritism towards any program. Okay students, this lecture will help you to comprehend all the passages throughout, and you can analyze this chapter in a very short and in a very clear way from this video. This video will help you to comprehend all the passages. This video will help you to summarize all the passages. This video will help you to engulf all the important words from this lesson. I will discuss the exercise contents in the next lesson, inshallah ta'ala, and I will come to you as soon as possible with my next lecture. Till then, Allah Hafiz and keep in touch. Stay safe.